What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover everything altcoin, meme coin related. If it is a project that has great potential, it's a project that is making a lot of noise, it's a project that the chart shows strength, we're gonna be checking it out on the channel. And in this video we're gonna be checking out Arpa network. Now, you guys know when it comes to blockchains, I'm a blockchain fan. When we're talking about smart contracts, I'm ready to hop on the wave of any project as long as it has a working blockchain and smart contracts. Before we get into the video though, always remember, this is not investment or financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Now, Arpa network is recently up 2x from the bottom. It's been in an accumulation phase, and it started to make a move up. Secure computation network for blockchain adopted cryptography. Connect, protect, consolidate. And yeah guys, like I said, I really love blockchain projects. Arpa threshold BLS network can serve as the infrastructure of verifiable random number generators, secure wallet, cross-chain bridge, decentralized custody, etc. You could also run a node on the project and already start. This is for developers to build on the project. It is decentralized, secure, flexible, verifiable, always on, no crashes like Solana for example, and it is blockchain agnostic. Featured on top new sites, backed by Coinbase, Binance Labs, Arlington Capital, and GBIC. Arlington Capital is XRP, guys. XRP, Arlington Capital. If they're gonna invest in this, that means this project has legs. Okay, so it's making a move to the upside because we're about to go into Q2 of 2023. That means the mainnet for Arpa is about to launch, so that's more than likely why the project is starting to make that move to the upside. 60k followers on Twitter. Barely anyone is on this project, which makes no sense to me because this is a working blockchain. Random number generators are some of the most important digital infrastructure pieces that aren't discussed. They are used in all manner of applications, including security, GameFi, and NFT minting. Among others, having a great RNG is vital in these areas, and they have a thread recently. As you guys can see, the Twitter is very active. Happy Bitcoin Pizza Day. Twitter is very active. They are making noise. The community is making noise. They are posting a lot, and this is what you like to see in projects, guys. This is what you love to see in projects, when there's a lot of engagement on Twitter, when the community is very active and engaged. And they're doing their own hackathons with Scaling ZK. So it is a privacy project. It looks like it's incorporated zero knowledge proofs as well. And Arpa recently had a partnership with DFW Labs. DFW Labs is one of those huge companies that invest in projects, and we are thrilled to work with DFW Labs, have them on the cap table. Announcement from Cointelegraph as well. So yeah, the team is out there, they're putting in that work, and the community is active as well. And like I said, this is a huge utility project because it is a blockchain with smart contracts. This is not a meme coin this time. I know a lot of people don't like meme coins, but as we can see, it's at a $50 million market cap. This is the FDV is 113 million, but the market cap with circulating supply is 50 million. Obviously it's going to be a zero tax token, and you can see from the chart it is making a move to the upside, already 2x up from the consolidation phase. Project has been out. How long has this project been out? It's not even been out that long, I don't think. So yeah, it's not been out that long. Well, yeah, oh, actually it has been. It's crazy that not much people are speaking about it. It's been out since May, but now is when it's starting to make that move up because people are anticipating the mainnet launch. We know what happens when a project is launching their mainnet. That's when the blockchain really starts to take off because people are using the blockchain. We saw the same thing with Solana and Cadena and Casper, other projects like that. So Arpa right now sitting at $50 million in market cap. Maybe wait for the retrace or wait for your entry, guys, because it is 2x up. But $50 million market cap entry, this project more than likely could hit those, you know, 2, 3, 4, $500 million market cap, or even $1 billion market cap numbers, right? So yeah, ton of X's to the upside for this project. Not that great at math here, but let's do some quick math. That's $1 billion divided by 50 million, which is a 66x. Okay, you only have $1,000 to invest. That's $60,000 times a 66x, $66,000. You only have $100. I know a lot of people are struggling out there. That's why we're into crypto. You only have $100. That's $6,600, and that is great gains to reinvest, because the crypto market is not going anywhere. It's always gonna be here. And yeah, I wouldn't rule out 500 million to $1 billion in market cap for a working blockchain, zero knowledge proof project. If you hold Arpa network, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section below. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know what other projects you'd like me to check out as well. Everything Arpa and myself will be in the description, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.